Would you mind? ing.
패턴의 영어 회화 20문장을 준비했어요.
Would you mind? ing.
는 뭐뭐 해주시겠어요? 또는 뭐뭐 해도 괜찮으신가요? 라는 뜻으로 정중하게 부탁할 때 사용합니다. 반복해서 들으며 익숙해지시기 바랍니다. 구독과 좋아요는 제작에 힘이 됩니다. 창문 좀 닫아주시겠어요?
Would you mind closing the window?
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 불 좀 꺼주시겠어요?
Would you mind turning off the light?
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 잠깐만 기다려 주시겠어요?
Would you mind waiting a minute?
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 이것 좀 도와주시겠어요?
Would you mind helping me with this?
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 좀 더 천천히 말해 주시겠어요?
Would you mind speaking more slowly?
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 그거 다시 말씀해 주시겠어요?
Would you mind repeating that?
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 조금만 비켜주시겠어요?
Would you mind moving over a little?
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 볼륨 좀 낮춰주시겠어요?
Would you mind turning down the volume?
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 그거 좀 주워주시겠어요?
Would you mind picking that up?
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 문 좀 열어주시겠어요?
Would you mind opening the door?
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 여기서 담배 피우지 말아주시겠어요?
Would you mind not smoking here?
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 필기한 거 좀 공유해 주시겠어요?
Would you mind sharing your notes?
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 나중에 전화해 주시겠어요?
Would you mind calling me later?
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 조용히 해주시겠어요?
Would you mind being quiet?
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 조금만 정리해 주시겠어요?
Would you mind cleaning up a bit?
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 저를 집에 데려다 주시겠어요?
Would you mind driving me home?
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 문 좀 잠가 주시겠어요?
Would you mind locking the door?
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 저희와 함께 해주시겠어요?
Would you mind joining us?
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 여기 앉아 주시겠어요?
Would you mind sitting here?
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 휴대폰 사용을 자제해 주시겠어요?
Would you mind not using your phone?
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 끝까지 들어주셔서 감사합니다.